Importance of social media in marketing. Social media is crucial to marketing because it enables companies to establish direct connections with their target market, increase brand recognition, and advertise goods and services. Social media is used by consumers to research brands, pose queries, and decide what to buy. By being active and responsive on social platforms, businesses can engage with consumers, gather feedback, and establish credibility. Additionally, social media enables businesses to keep an eye on what people are saying about them and their competitors, which helps them enhance their offerings and advertising strategies. Popular platform YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter. YouTube, the top resource for brand storytelling, instructional, and video content. Additionally, these videos may show up in Google search results. Facebook, excellent for interacting with a variety of audiences, sharing news, and creating communities. It's also helpful for sponsored advertising and promoting local businesses. Instagram emphasizes visual content such as images and videos, perfect for younger audiences and brands with effective visuals. LinkedIn, the best platform for publishing content relevant to your sector, professional networking, and business to business marketing. X, previously Twitter, well known for its news, updates, and direct customer interactions, excellent for exchanging information and interacting in real time. Content calendars and strategies. Planning out what material to post, when to post it, and on which platforms is called a content calendar. It assists companies in remaining consistent, organized, and making sure that their content supports marketing objectives. Setting objectives such as raising brand awareness or generating leads. Selecting the appropriate platforms and organizing audience friendly material are all part of developing a content strategy. This method helps teams collaborate more efficiently and saves time. Organic vs paid social media. Posting content for free on social media allows you to automatically interact and expand your following. Although it's affordable and fosters real connections, platform algorithm may limit reach and results may be slow. Paid social media refers to the practice of spending money to advertise or promote material in order to reach a wider or more specific audience. Although they cost money, paid advertisements can provide more accurate targeting and quicker results. For a well rounded social media marketing strategy, both methods are crucial. Basics of engagement and analytics. The way people interact with your content, liking, commenting, sharing, or clicking on your post, is referred to as engagement. A high level of engagement indicates that your audience is connecting with your material. Analytics. Reach, the number of people who see your material, impressions, the frequency with which your content is displayed, engagement rate, and follower growth are all tracked by social media analytics platforms. These observations assist you in determining what aspects of your plan are effective and where it needs improvement. You can improve your decision making and audience growth by keeping an eye on engagement and analytics.